Prosecution, led by Captain Kangwamo Fred, criticized Okot's defense, saying it was mad with lies, praying that the court-martial convicts Okot Patrick Odoch and serve him with a maximum sentence. Prosecution alleges that all evidence presented to court pinning Okot should be considered for his conviction. Prosecution was giving its final submissions in the case. The state also based its submissions on Okot's open lies that he left his uniforms at home before fleeing, but later contradicted self, saying that he had left the same uniforms with a friend, Okelo Dennis. According to the state, evidence brought in by the witnesses pin Okot, isolating survivor witnesses that include Asio Joyce, who testified that she was shot from the scene of crime. The state further submitted that Okot's uniforms, which were picked with the receipts in, the phone calls he made to ask for financial assistance, and all the evidences brought to pin him are enough to convict him. Okot Patrick Odoch is charged with murder, attempted murder, misuse of his weapon, and robbery, charges he committed at Bombo Town. This case is before Brigadier Tolid and continues on Wednesday next week, when defense will make its final submissions. Meanwhile, at the Anti-Corruption Court in Kampala, the 8 Chambogo lecturers appeared before Grade 1 Magistrate Ruth Sempala Lwanga for mention of their case, in which they all pleaded innocent too. They are charged with 6 counts of conflict of interest and 1 count of disobedience to the Inspectorate of Government. They are accused of participating in a meeting in which they had personal interest and passed a vote of no confidence to unseat Professor Isaiah Ndiege Omolo from his office as a Vice-Chancellor. They are also accused of disobeying the Inspectorate of Government's orders when they were told to stop these meetings. They later applied for bail, which they were granted by possession of sureties and cash ranging from 1 million to 4 million shillings. This case was adjourned to 29th for hearing. Becca Zena, NBS Television.